Hi there. Welcome back to the IT Step-by-Step channel. Today we'll talk about Windows 10 versus Windows 11. Which one should you be using? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. Windows 10 is the trusty veteran. It's incredibly stable, works great with older hardware, and doesn't require that tricky TPM 2.0 chip. Its traditional start menu is familiar, and app compatibility is rock solid, which is why so many businesses still rely on it. However, it can feel sluggish, and we've all experienced those frustrating update failures and driver conflicts. Then there's Windows 11, the modern successor. It's built for security with TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot as standard. The new centered start menu and sleek design are optimized for today's devices and hybrid work. But it's not perfect. You might run into issues with older apps, and the new interface can take some getting used to. So, what's the final verdict for IT pros? Think of it this way. Windows 10 is all about stability, while Windows 11 is about security and the future. Which one fits your needs best? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.